Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is my life. Today I thought I would bring you along with me as I get ready to go away for the weekend. We are taking a last minute trip to visit some family and we are leaving in about 2 hours. So I have to pack and do a few things before we leave, and so I thought I'd bring you along. Okay, so we already have all of our bedding packed. We have our air mattress, sheets, pillows, blankets. We stay with my brother-in-law, so we are bringing our air mattress. That just works out best for us. So that is what we're doing. Next, I'm gonna get our clothes together. Normally my husband would pack for himself, but it was such a last minute decision to go that he didn't have time, and he is at work now and we're leaving as soon as he gets off. So I get off earlier, so he sent me his list of what he wants packed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get us packed. So we are just gonna use this duffel bag to pack. Normally we use suitcases, but we're only going for today is Friday and we're going to be coming home Sunday. So we're just staying 2 nights. So we don't need a whole lot. So we're just gonna take that. Okay, so we have both of our pajamas, and I already packed our undergarments. So I needed to come down and get a couple things out of the dryer, so I thought I would go ahead and water the garden now while I am down here. So I'll give you a little look at what our garden's looking like. Here's what it looks like. We actually got our first zucchini harvest from it a couple days ago, and I see that there are some. There's one down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I bet there will be some things ready for us when we get back. So I'm gonna go ahead and water, and then I'm gonna get back to packing. So I have everything all laid out here. I have a couple pairs of shorts and a couple shirts for my husband. And then I have my outfit that I'm gonna put on to go this evening. I have this little black overall romper that I just got in the mail today from Amazon. So I have it and a couple shirts because I'm not sure what's gonna look best with it. And then I'm also gonna take a pair of denim shorts just in case I don't like what I packed with it. I have a pair of jeans and a leopard tank top, and then I'm gonna pack a crew neck just in case it gets cold, and then not outside in the air conditioning, or if we decide to go to a movie or something, just in case. I have my pair of sandals in here that I want, and then Justin is gonna wear the shoes that he wants, and then I will have my Hey Dudes also. So there is that, and then I just have to do like our toiletries and any extra stuff. So we will do that now. So we were actually just in Pittsburgh last weekend for a graduation party for one of our nieces, but we're going back this weekend because Justin's parents are up visiting from Alabama. So we already sort of have most of our toiletries already packed. We just need to add a couple things in, and then I need to do like our chargers and my book and all that kind of stuff. So I have all of our toiletries packed. This black bag holds my toiletries, like my deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, hair stuff, soap, face wash, lotion, that kind of stuff. And this one is my husband's, and then this is my makeup bag, and I have my curling iron. If you would like a more in-depth look at this, what we pack for like toiletries and stuff, leave a comment down below, because when we go on vacation in a few weeks, I can make a video a little more in detail about what we pack when we go away for like a week. I am also taking my little jewelry pouch. I'm only taking like a couple pairs of earrings and a necklace or two, but this is the best way to keep everything from getting tangled or lost. So I love this thing, and it's flat, so it'll fit fine. So I'm just gonna take it out. That is pretty much everything for clothes and toiletries and everything like that. I just have some like technology stuff, my laptop, our phone chargers, my book, Justin's Nintendo Switch, that kind of stuff. So I will show you how I pack that. Putting everything out here to the couch, I am gonna pack all of this in my backpack. It's actually a camera bag, but I have pulled my DSLR camera out because I don't need to take that with us this time. So there's plenty of room for everything. I have like, this is for our cords. It's my MacBook charger, a couple of games, the book that I'm reading right now, my MacBook, some stickers that I need to take, my phone charger, Justin's Nintendo Switch, his headphones, his charger. He uses this one because he can charge his Apple Watch on it. Also in here are things like my mouse for my computer, and what was I hoping was in here? Oh, and my headphones are hooked to the strap. I will put this camera in there, and I'll also need to grab my batteries and charger. They are still charging, so I'll grab those right before we leave because I'm planning to vlog our weekend, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, after this stuff is packed, I just have a couple other things I want to get done around the house, and then we will be all ready to go. Okay, with all that done, the last thing that I really wanted to do before we left was to wipe down all of our kitchen counters. There's just like some crumbs and stuff from eating lunch, so I'm gonna take my thieves cleaner and get those cleaned up, and then I'm gonna change my clothes, and then I'm just gonna hang out till Justin gets home. So I think this is where I'm gonna end this video. Make sure you check back on Wednesday. I am going to vlog our weekend, and that's when it will be up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how we have like a quick little packing power hour kind of thing for our last minute weekend away. So I will see you next time. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.